girl Sheree, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So today I'm going to mix a little bit of my products with Eco Styler gel to see if it mixes well. This is the gel that I have. And I'm gonna mix it with this Honey Curls, and we're gonna see if it mixes or not. So if it doesn't mix, it'll be clumpy, and if it does mix, then it'll just like some regular moisturizer. And it's not clumpy, it's real smooth. So it mixes well. Now we got the Camille Rose Refresh Curl. So we're gonna put a little bit, then put a little bit of gel. Oh, this is not, yeah, it doesn't go good together. So if y'all wondering why y'all hair flaking, this why. Ew. Now we got this a lot of body. Ooh, this doesn't mix either. Clumps. I thought it was gonna work, but clumps. Now I got this Curl Magic. I like this stuff. Like, the ingredients are great. Facts, dope. Oh, they both clear, but it works. No flakes. It's real smooth. Oh, I gotta try that. Like with a bun or something. Now we got Talia. I like this stuff too. This is also clear. But one has sparkles, one don't. Oh, it's clumpy. Now we got Mael. I was saying her name wrong in the other videos that I did with her product. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. I'm almost out. This looks pretty good. Feels smooth. Yeah. Last but not least, we got T-Gen. This stuff is so good. I only got a little bit left. Just a little bit. I need some more. No. All type of flakes. I mean, clumps. But it will make your hair flaky if you mix the two together. Your hair will flake.